We're getting in breaking news about an acid attack that has taken place on a Russian tourist in Varanasi. That tourist, the lady, has been now hospitalized. She is believed to be in a critical condition. There is news about the guest house owner's son, in fact, who committed this act by throwing acid on the Russian lady's face. And this man threw acid after he got into an argument with this Russian lady. We have with us our correspondent Amir Haq. Amir, what more details do you have about this acid attack that has been committed in Varanasi?
Well, Avantika, this seems to have happened early in the morning, around 4:30. This girl had earlier stayed in this guest house as well as a paying guest, and she was in fact, friends with the owner of this guest house. And in fact, she was friends with the son of the owner of the guest house, and they had also, in fact, over the last 2 months, traveled quite a bit within India as well. It seems there was some kind of an altercation early this morning between Siddharth, the guest owner's son, and this girl who belongs to Dasha, when acid was thrown upon her. Now, the police is still involved into investigations. It is still very premature to predict as to what exactly happened.
Okay.
But yes, Siddharth, the guest house owner's son, is absconding at the moment. The police is talking to the family members. They are investigating the entire case. The girl is still very critical. Although she is stable, she is admitted to BHU's Sundalal Hospital. She's been taken care of. But till the time the police is able to get the details of how this incident happened, they're being very tight-lipped.
And Amir, do we have more information about this Russian lady who has, been attacked so grievously by the guest owner's son? For how long had she been staying in this guest house?
Well, she had stayed in this very guest house in Varanasi about 3 months back for about 15 days. It was recently, about 4 days back, that she had come again. And in between these two stays in this guest house, she had, traveled within India with this boy here, Siddharth, the guest house owner's son. There seems to be, the police, in fact, says that they had developed some kind of a relationship. It is still not clear whether, they were lovers, whether it is a tilted lovers case or something else had gone wrong. But clearly, this is some kind of a relationship gone sour, which perhaps triggered this incident. When early this morning they had an altercation, and perhaps it was Siddharth who threw acid on this girl there.
Amir, please stay with me. We're getting in a reaction from the owner of the guest house, and we're also getting in a reaction from the police about this particular case. Let's just listen in to all of those reactions.
मेरे घर में शोर मचा, तो मैंने पूछा अपनी बड़ी बहू से क्या हुआ है बेटा। उसने कहा कि दादा लगता है कि किसी ने इसके ऊपर एसिड फेंक दिया है। उसने कहा हमारा छोटा लड़का पंकज श्रीवास्तव वो संजोग से घर में था। हमने कहा जल्दी कार निकालो। हम लोगों ने कार निकलवाया और पूरा परिवार लाद करके उस लड़की को मेडिकल कॉलेज में ले गया और उसकी दवा खरीदी, उसका भर्ती कराया। उसका
प्रदीप श्रीवास्तव हैं, उनके घर के दौरान ये एक रशियन महिला है, 23 साल इनकी उम्र है। ये 4 महीने पहले के करीब में यहाँ पे एज अ पेइंग गेस्ट के रूप में आई थी और वहीं से जो है जो इनकी फ्रेंडशिप जो है एक सिद्धार्थ श्रीवास्तव जो प्रदीप श्रीवास्तव के लड़के हैं उनसे हुई थी। तो उसी दौरान ये जो लड़का है सिद्धार्थ श्रीवास्तव ये मेंटली भी थोड़ा अनस्टेबल है। हमने जब सर्च किया है घटनास्थल से तो सिद्धार्थ श्रीवास्तव ने जो है 2 दिन पहले जो है 2.5 लीटर सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड खरीदा हुआ है।
Amir is with us on the phone line. Amir, a very tragic incident that has come to light and even the police confirming that, it was a fallout as a result of, an argument that happened between the two of them. If you could just tell us a little bit more about this particular boy who committed the act and threw acid on the Russian lady.
But yes, Avantika, you see here the police actually confirming that Siddharth was mentally unstable.
Yes.
He had also bought 2.5 liters of sulfuric acid and it seems that he had already planned for this incident much in advance, and perhaps as a part of the entire conspiracy, this girl was made to stay here in this guest house where she was finally attacked this morning. So, actually shocking also, with tourists in large numbers converging at Varanasi and places Agra in this will also become a point for the government security agencies as well on how to ensure security for tourists moving into these areas.
Right.
But although, for the time being, it seems to be an isolated incident where perhaps a jilted lover, as has happened in so many other cases of acid attack, has actually been involved into throwing of acid over this young Russian girl here.
Right. Ambir, thank you so much for joining us and updating our viewers with all the information that you have been able to gather in an incident that has been rather tragic, and case of a jilted lover there throwing acid on a Russian tourist who was staying in his guest house.
Mani pa ma ga, ni pa ma ga sa ni pa ma ni sa pa sa. जहाँ तक यादें याद आती रहेगी.